building gorgeous. I feel like the summer's better slow, but I'm not always have fun. So look at these little bridge houses. Somebody asked me, Justine, what are these bridge houses? Well, back in the day, they had people man the bridges because when boats came through, they would have to open them. Now today, nobody's in those bridges. We do lift our bridges 2 times, or I should say twice a year. In May, we open it every Wednesday and Saturday from 8 to noon. And then in October, when all the sailboats are coming back out of the water, every Wednesday and Saturday, 8 to noon. So if you come back to Chicago in May or October, it's here. Hello! Look at that view! Look at this! Look at those 5 boxes up there. See that at Sears Tower? Willis Towers? Those 5 sky boxes?